Hey everybody, my name is John from Longevity Physical Therapy. We are in the La Costa clinic today. I'm going to show you how to do 3 different TRX rows. So for this one, we're going to change the grip. The first one's going to be a neutral grip, which is kind of thumbs up. We're going to do palms up grip, which is also called supination, and then we're going to do palms down, which is called pronation. So I'll show you the setup here at the TRX. So you always want tension on the band. You're going to go a little bit close to the wall. The goal is staying nice and neutral, keeping your whole body engaged. You're keeping your arms straight, rowing, keeping those shoulder blades pulled back, pulling through the elbows, nice and controlled on the way down. Really focus on squeezing those shoulder blades back, nice and controlled on the way down. If you want a little bit more of a challenge, you're gonna get closer to the wall, have a little bit more body weight on the TRX. The next one, same thing. We're just going to change into a palms up position. Here, palms up. And the next one's going to be palms down, same thing. Palms down, really pull through those elbows. There you go, that's 3-way TRX rows.